Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fullcom Tech 11.6-inch replacement screen designed for the N22 80SF0001US CHROMEBOOK. Straight off the bat, the screen boasts a slim design, measuring in at 11.6 inches, and featuring a 30-pin configuration located on the bottom right side. The LCD screen offers a resolution of 1366 by 768, providing a crisp HD display. The LED LCD technology ensures vibrant and sharp visuals, making your viewing experience a pleasure. One notable feature is the XGA wide aspect ratio, contributing to a wider and more immersive display. Fullcom Tech emphasizes compatibility, assuring users that the product is brand new and undergoes rigorous testing. While model names and outline sizes may vary slightly due to stock, the company guarantees that all their products are fully compatible. Installation is straightforward, and the product lives up to the promise of being a reliable replacement screen. The multicolor display, especially when lit, enhances the overall visual appeal. In conclusion, if you're in need of a replacement screen for your N22 80SF0001US CHROMEBOOK, the Fullcom Tech 11.6-inch HD LED LCD screen is a solid choice. Its compatibility guarantee, combined with HD resolution and vibrant display, makes it a worthwhile investment for those looking to breathe new life into their laptop. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.